यो 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 व्हाट्सअप गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? एला उन्नारो अंदरो. So today is 25th December. Happy Christmas to everyone. Sorry for the lighting. It's getting dark. Focus on me, bro. Focus on me, not other items. Okay, focusing on me. Okay. So today is 25th. Merry Christmas to everyone. I vlogged a little bit night only 12:30. Yeah, some means some good speech I gave in that. Go and watch it. Nice. Happy Christmas to everyone. For everyone, my subscribers and my viewers who are watching this, for their happiness and their for being for well-being and much more. So God is there. Don't worry. In life is there. So people who are depressed or anything, please pray God. If Allah or anyone, Allah, Hindu, any one of them, pray God, your tensions will be gone. God will be in front of you and He will shield you, like protect you like anything. Nothing can damage you or destroy you. Yeah, God is there. Every day is a test for us from God. Should not be feel sad for being lose or something. Winning and losing is part of life. Enjoy every single part of life and second of life. So God gave life for us to enjoy and pray Him and be happy with your family and friends. So I'll meet you tomorrow morning, early in the morning. So I'm going to sleep. Bye. So you people watched that clip. How was it? Please comment down below. And today we are talking very boldly, and our nervousness is gone. 60% is gone. More 40% is there. Outside that we should cover. Inside we covered because no one is home. No one is in home. So we get a very means boldness, everything we got. We can talk anything, not talking. Very nice video. This is an family vlogs also. I might think about to bring my dad in this vlog also. My every family member, my mom, my dad, my sister. Sorry, my sister. I will show you my sister once. Next vlog I will show you pakka. So today is 25th December. We are going outside with my friends to give them party, because if we didn't give party, वो लोग बोलेंगे बड़े आदमी बन गए, बड़े साहब हो गए, वो सब ये सब बोलते हैं. वो हमको वो समा अच्छा नहीं लिखता. तो पार्टी दे देंगे, दे देंगे, दे देंगे, दे चुके होंगे तब तक. So guys, people watching this vlog, while going you should share to your friends to watch this vlog and say them to subscribe my channel and like the video. Watch every vlog. It's a eco-friendly vlog, bro. Why are you doing like that? Yeah. And today we'll go hang out with my friends. So guys, I'm going outside. I will vlog today, pakka. I will remove all the nervousness in front of my friends, because वो हम लोग को बड़े आदमी बोलते तो हम बड़े आदमी बनेंगे. So I'm sorry for I'm not showing you the Christmas outfit. So this is my shirt. Yeah, this is my this is my shirt, and I wear pant also. Don't worry. Yeah, this is my pant. Where is my pant? Yeah, this is my pant. This color, nice color, huh? Comment down below. Give rating also. So I'll vlog. I'll vlog today outside. We'll meet you outside. Just changed my outfit. I was it is very new clothes, right? So I kept it in the cupboard. And this is my t-shirt, and this is my shirt. This is very comfortable shirt. So I came in the kitchen. My eggs are boiled here, and I'll show you what my grandma made in interesting means very tasty cookies she made. I will show you. Come right. The what they say. This is the coconut kaya. I don't know what they say this in English. I think in Telugu they say karji kaya lo. हिंदी में भी कर्जी काया बोलते हैं. And this is karji kaya lo. Interesting. Sorry, tasty. Don't grip dishti, huh? Don't keep. Don't. I. Okay. Go this side. And this is. Oh, this is also karji kaya lo. No, in down this there is cookies also. Yeah, I'll take this too. Yeah, this is cookies. Cookies she made and karji kaya. She mixed it all. And down. And one more dabba is there. And down this dabba. And down this dabba. There is this one and this one only. All. So guys, this is the tasty cookies made by my grandma and my mother. Just talk to my dad that my aunt is coming to home, so I want to pick her up and drop at my home. And my mother all are also at her home only. So हमारा टैक्सी बिजनेस अब चालू होगा. मतलब पैसे कुछ भी नहीं देते, फ्री में टैक्सी, सोशल सर्विस. So I'm going to my aunt house. Aunt means my daddy's sister. What do you think? I don't know. That only. Sorry for talking butler English, but doing this, you people like funny, and you'll come again and again. So I'm doing like that. If you don't like, say in comment section. I will change my talking sense and my talking tone. हम हंडा छील रहे इसका छील. इसको देखो, और एक बच्चा पैदा इसका. अरे नहीं रे सॉरी. इसको देखो. हाँ ये देखो. अरे इसको फोकस करो भाई. हाँ इसको फोकस करो. हाँ राइट. सो ये हमारा अंडा है. नहीं खाएंगे, छिला छील के खाएंगे. ओके, छिला छीलने तो दो. हाथ दुख रहा है मेरा. 3 eggs. 2 I will eat only white eggs and 1 whole egg. So guddu kokoroko guddu kokoroko guddu. Hey, new song invention. Great Abhi. So I'll eat this. In my phone there is low power battery. व्लॉग करना बोले तो चार्जिंग होना पक्का. तो after I eat this, we are going to my auntie house to pick her up. Going to my aunt's house. Just my dad called. Video paused. And today Christmas, right? चिकन मटन जोरदार की चाय तैयारी हो रही है. बिरयानी पक रहा है घर पे, तो लाने जा रहे हैं. तो eating polo. I stole from my sister's bag. Sorry sister, my dear sister, my darling sister. So we are going on our jigsaw. Baby standing in front of us. Wait a minute. We are door जा रहे हैं हमारे बेबी जान के साथ. So this is my sister. Uncle. Thanks uncle. पहचान वाला अंकुल थे नो. Jigsaw baby. So this my sister made on made a tattoo on my hand. So going on Jigsaw baby. After so many days, no moto vlog because I don't have any camera or sorry wait a minute. I'll add एक दो अभी इसको ऑन करने का है 1 मिनट. Once you listen the sound, brother. Lovely, lovely, baby is lovely. So, going. The time is wrong, I think so. 2 minutes late. So, I'm going to there, and I'll meet you there. After that shot, that clip, I went to my aunt's house and pick her up and bought here, and we ate. Christmas, right? I ate fully and I got sleep. So I sleep. I take a power nap of. Sorry, it is not a power nap. It is a lazy sleep of 4 hours. And today now time is 6:42. So we'll go and hang out with my friends. So let's go. Came half an hour before till still here near his house. Kittu house is not coming outside. He's a like lady, beautiful lady. Doing makeup, everything. He'll do everything and he'll come now. Look there, who is coming? Who is coming here? What is this man? Half an hour late? Huh? Half an hour late. Yeah, it has video added why are you late, Ray?
Because of some adultness. సింగిల్ లైఫ్
తెలిసిందా?
అదే తెలు అయ్యొచ్చి తను కొట్టింది హిస్టరీ అన్ని తీసి పడదగిన మై యాక్టివిటీ అదే చూసి
So this guy caught shy fellow. Chalo, let's go to petrol bunk and go to have the Christmas party, bro.
ఏమ్రా పోయి నువ్వు పెట్రోల్ బంక్ అంటున్నావు బ్లాగ్
పెట్రోల్ బంక్ పెట్రోల్ తీసుకునే దానికి పోతారు కదరా.
దాని ముంగాలు ఏమేమో
హ్యాంగ్ అవుట్ విత్ చలో లెట్స్ గో టు పెట్రోల్ బంక్. Chai, came for tandoori chai. We came here, we thought to go somewhere else, right? What happened?
మనమంతా ఎవరు అయినేమో
సరే అరే నీసే ఎక్కడ
ఇజ్జత్ రాదురా పోయి నాకు రాదురా పోయి నేను చేసి ఎందుకు పండుగ అని రానిపోని ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడు.
Ended up standing here, no space inside, so
అరే వంశీ.
Also, this is Ramesh. Say hi, bro.
Hi. There, my husband was boring. Me,
No.
wife, my son.
So came for having tandoori chai. జాలీలో కాదు
నేను చూసిన. అరే కాదబ్బి ఆడు వేడిగా చేయనికే దాని మీద ఇట్లా పెడుతుండ్రా కానీ మంట మీదకి ఎట్లా పోతుందిరా అది అంటే దాంట్లో.
अरे फोन ही तेरा भाई यू ओनली विल ना क्या अरे रोड में आडो राइगो रोड में नो प्लेस इनसाइड सो स्टैंडिंग एंडेड अप हियर. earthquake వచ్చింది earthquake. జిమ్ ఫెలో.
This is for second time.
He looks like a physical teacher.
Fourth time.
Aba?
This is for fourth time me coming.
Daddy calling. Hello. Going. The chai wala is bringing the chai. Babu chai ki mama.
Chai better.
So this is tandoori chai, and this guy is Lambulatak. This guy name is Vamshi.
Okay, my name is Vamshi.
వాట్స్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లం?
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఏం చేయ యూట్యూబా రేపు పెడతా
రేపు కాకుండా ఎల్లుండి పెడతా.
So,
హ్యావింగ్ చాయ్, नजर लगाओ ये सालों के ऊपर. Ramesh, Kittu, and this guy Vamshi. Arey, come inside. You are not visible. You are that much long height. Get something down like this. Like this. Right. Okay. Right. After we drink the chai, we'll talk to you later. We were going somewhere else. This guy got something late. His father called. So we are going somewhere. So we ended up drinking here chai. So this is your Christmas treat, bro.
I need a party, bro.
Is over. Going to home. PT teacher driving the bike. He has license. Don't worry. This is near of our house, so we didn't wear helmet. So don't say bad things in comment section. Bye for Mr. Giraffe. Giraffe, bye. Wait रे. क्या रे भाई इतना बेइज्जती करते तुम ला. So time to say bye to PT sir.
Bye.
PT sir, wait a minute, you are not visible. Right, PT sir. Bye. Come in my next vlog also. Bye for this guy also.
Bye, bro. నేను కనిపించడం కూడా కనిపిస్తలేదు.
ఆగరా లైట్ కోదమా. Time to say
very happy Christmas.
Thank you ra. Thank you bro.
Like share.
Bye bro.
Bye.
Bye. Bye Ray. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out. Okay.
Take dreams. Bye. Dreams అంటారు.
Chalo, bye bro. Meet you again. Bye. Came back home. Just left them. Yeah. Now going for dinner. कड़पों में थोड़ा कुछ डाल लेंगे. So, if you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. और ये बेल आइकन भी दबा लेना to be notified. And thank you guys for watching. Once again, Happy Christmas to all. And I wish more happiness ahead for you and your family. And once again, please like, share and subscribe the video. So guys, bye bye. Peace.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't wait.